Click the info icon for more details on managing your work orders workspace. Select Create Install link to make sharing your work orders workspace fast and easy for collaborators. Activate the installation link to let others duplicate your workspace templates with just a click. Click Enable Installation link. Just keep in mind that some hidden data may be visible. Click Copy Installation link for an instant, shareable URL to your workspace setup. This is the installation page that the recipient will see once they click on the shareable URL. Simply click Next to get started. Select the users you want to add to the new workspace. Click Next to move forward after inviting team members. Edit the workflow name here for better clarity and organization. Press Create to finalize your new workspace configuration. Scroll down to find the new workspace. And that's it! You've officially shared a workspace with someone outside your organization.